morning, everyone. This is Compost Chicken Queens Plus. In this case, plus a supplemental video. While I was looking through the video that I just uploaded, the part 1 of the unboxing, not the teaser, the other one, this came off the front of the dish. I thought this was the surface. I didn't pay too much attention to the fact that it actually feels like cardboard instead of plastic. Here's a quick look at the dish. This almost looks like somebody else had used it. I'm not going to complain. It looks a little bit, maybe it's just dusty. I don't know. There's stuff on it. But maybe not. I don't know. So that's the actual dish. It's a plastic feeling, but good quality. And you can do some, what is that, sound stuff that people like tapping noise and stuff like that. So here's the instructions. I'm going to have to download the Starlink onto my app. Support at starlink.com. I will do that so I don't get some fake app. There's the instructions, folks. And another thing, which I'm not sure how it's going to work out, is that if you can read right there, the operating temperature is between, what's that say? -30 and +50 degrees, or -22 and 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here in Smooth Rock Falls, yes, I said it, Smooth Rock Falls, Ontario, Canada, we do -40 sometimes during the winter. So, I wonder if that's going to be a problem. That's like 10 degrees difference in the cold. I know that electronics tend to like cold better than heat, but it says -30. So I'm going to have to contact customer service and say, what happens with -40 here in Smooth Rock Falls? They sent us the kit, but do they know how cold it gets in some of the locations that they send to? I don't know. I sort of doubt that they'd go to that much trouble. Sort of a buyer beware, perhaps. But yeah, so -30 to, what was that again? Oh, that's the other one. Where is it? Oh, here, we can't find it now. That's Portuguese. Oh, that's right. It is, yeah, that could be awkward. Relative humidity, non-condensing. So that's probably not going to be a problem. Maybe the plugs that are, they look, if you didn't know any better, because when I read the instructions, which are not this part, but this part, it says something about how, where is it? Yeah, mine is the, where is it? The UTR 211, which is the outdoor one. As you can see, I wasn't going to take this apart, but I guess I will again. Oops. Just so you can see it. Oh, no, wait a minute. I don't need to do that. It's on the bottom of this. It's the, yeah, see? UTR, model number UTR 211. It says about, oops. Yeah, UTR 211 is the outdoor unit, and this, that is for outside, obviously, but this, I'm pretty sure, doesn't mean the antenna, or in this case, the router. Is that correct? The router can go outside. That doesn't make sense, even though the plugs for this, you would sorry guys. I have never ever before seen a plugs that have, you know, sealed gaskets on any electronics before, really. Maybe I'm just not used to high caliber. The only time I've ever seen this kind of thing is on things that would possibly encounter water or are used in water, like blenders and things like that, and, you know, water bottles and things, thermoses. So, and that's the end that goes into the bottom of this. And just to add more confusion, where did the other part of this plug go? Oops. Huh. Oh, there it is. See? That also has a rubber gasket. So I'm going to be going on YouTube, like I'm sure some of you will be after seeing this video, and looking up why this has a rubber gasket on it, which to me indicates that it could go outside, since this is for this device, and the cord isn't that long. Mind you, this is very long, but why does this say that UTR-211 can go outside? Is that this? Because obviously this goes outside. The dish itself obviously goes outside. So, like, I don't know. We didn't buy the RV version, at least I don't think we did. It'd be cool if we did, actually. But even then, you'd think that this would be an indoor thing. Anyways, if anybody knows, feel free to leave your comments in the comments section. And if you want to ask any questions, that'd be cool too. And again, if you like what you see, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share. After all, sharing is caring. And I hope everyone has a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Whenever, wherever, and whomever you are, stay awesome, stay adventurous. Oh yeah.